All right. I'm sorry it's taken so long, mental health issues, but we're back out at the farm. I'm going to try and get this Falcon going. Got a new coil. Let's throw it in, see if we can get this thing to fire up. Hopefully it won't defeat us this time and we'll get this thing to run. Forwards.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, then I stop this. Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Poppin', spitting hot shit. I'm dropping, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it.
Alright, so I don't know if some of you are just tuning in now or not, but last time we were out here, I had to sort out these terminals because they're dodgy. As you can see, I held that one together with vice grips. We were testing the ignition coil, the ignition system. We didn't have spark. So we cleaned up the distributor cap, rotor button, and everything like that. And that was all cleaned up and fine. And then we found out that we had nothing coming from the coil. So I've bought a new coil. You can see it there. We're going to try and drop that in underneath because, you know, Ford don't like to make it easy. I did bring the jack, so I'll jack this side up. We'll try and replace that coil, and then we'll replace the terminals, and we will see if we can get this bad boy to fire up. See if we can at least get spark, and then we'll go from there. We did diagnose that the fuel pump in the back isn't working, so we're just going to bottle feed it and see if it'll just at least bark off. And then if it does, I'll see if I can find a cheap pump for it, and we'll see if we can drive this thing. So anyways, let's get into the coil. Alright, so I couldn't get the coil off the block, but I did just plug the other one in. I'm pretty sure it's got to be earthed out to the block. That's why it's got the mounting plate there, but I've hooked it up to the ute. I'm just going to stick some gas down the breather, and then I'll crank on this thing and we'll see if we'll get it to fire up. Still smells very fuely from last time, but we'll see. Oop, there was a bit of a gallop there, we've seen that. So this might just fire up. I got a feeling though that that coil needs to be earthed. So anyways, I'll try and start the ute, we'll try again, because my earth lead's getting very hot. wants to run. She wants to go.
A few moments later.
All right, I'm so close to firing this up. So let's just see if I can bottle feed this thing. All right, crank it. Down the back, she hasn't run for a while. And there we go. One Falcon running. So I might just spend the money and get a fuel pump for it, and we can sort that out. All right, so there you go. The old girl fired up. She blew a bit of smoke, but that's fine. So what I'll do now is I'll try and find a fuel pump for it. We'll try and put it in and everything like that. So then this thing will run off its own steam. So next episode though, I'm gonna try and fire up this Brumby, and we'll see if we can get this old girl to run. So it's all pretty complete inside and outside and in the engine bay and everything. This one I'm actually going to keep for the landowner. So if I can get this running, driving, clean it up, everything like that, and we'll see and get it done for him, and then he has a nice little Brumby to drive around in. So that'll be in the next episode. But anyways, like I always say, make sure to subscribe. Helps me out heaps, you know. And thanks for sticking through me with the episode. I'm sorry they've been so long. I've just been having a bit of a hard time, but I'm going to try and get them out a bit more often now and everything like that. So like I always say, like, subscribe and share, and you know, it helps us out immensely, and we can get into this. There'll be more of the gets soon. I got some injectors for that and everything. Plus I'm going to try and get a new project. This one's a bit different than everything I've built so far. But anyways, stay tuned for that. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.